guys, it's Dana with The Places We Go, and we are in Sarasota Bay in Anna Maria Island, about to go out and see some dolphin and manatees in this video. We did not get to see the manatees that we were hoping to see because evidently manatees hang out in the ocean the beginning of August. We did see the manatees while we were swimming in the ocean on 2 different occasions. We were so close to them that we would have been able to reach out and touch them, except for they freaked us out slightly. But if you are in Anna Maria Island and you are interested in this type of tour, I would check out Anna Maria Island Dolphin Tours because they did a great job. Didn't cost us a whole lot of money, and we had a great time. I have posted a link with this video.
Hey, Carter, put him on. What are you fixing to go see? What are they called? You said you wanted to see one. A manatee and a what? Dolphin? Did you say manatee? What are you going to see?
Do you see them? Look again, I'll come up in a minute, I bet. Do you see him?